Morning, guys. September 7th, 2023. Today I got a call from one of the daycares. They got one of the AC units is flooding through the ceiling, so he said the secondary pan's got water and it's dripping into the secondary pans. Sounds to me like maybe the drain's backed up, slimed up or something. Well, I gotta try to locate where the drain goes out and maybe plug the overflow pan and see if I can pull a vacuum on it from outside and get it clear. But we're going over there now. It's probably about 3 o'clock. There's still a bunch of kids over there, but I'm gonna try to get it going. It's really hot out today, so not easy. You want to flood the place, right? Going over, jumping in my truck, going over there quickly. Try to get you some shots. I got some water in this pan. I could probably pop it apart here. Don't seem to be backing up on the drain there. But I don't know. I got a float switch there and I don't seem to be. Let's see if I can pop it apart here and maybe blow it out with this thing. Be slimy right there. Get the vacuum on it. Let's see what we can do here. I got this thing here I could shove in here, right? We could suck the water out of here and blow it down. Do that. Blow that line out. Got my little pump here. You want to suck in and blow out, right?
Unknown caller.
That wants to be blowing out. We don't want to go crazy with it. I mean, there should be no, just gonna go easy with it because there should be no restriction there. Let's see. She's coming. She's pumping. You don't like her? You don't like her? sucking the water. Just lift it up a little bit and it pulls a good vacuum on it. Get rid of all that water. I don't think it's clogged. It's definitely flushed out now because I gave it a good how you doing with the flipping hose, right? Give it a nice flipping how you doing with the she's iced up. So, what I gotta do is come back tomorrow. I got it off outside and put the fan on. I wonder if there's a filter in this thing. I think the filters are downstairs. Unless the fan's not working. She's iced. She's a nice cube, mama. Well, the fan's working. That's not an issue. It's just iced up. Might be low on charge here. I'll have to come by in the morning. We'll leave the fan running. I got the disconnect pulled outside. Probably gonna have to put some gas in it. Yo, Lika. We're gonna leave the fan running. I got the condenser off outside. We'll come back in the morning and give it a juice it up. I think there's no filter here. The filters are downstairs. I think he's been changing them. The unit here that's in question, that's I got pull the disconnect. It's an 03. This is the one that iced. Got the disconnect pulled. We'll get a good charge on it. We're back here. Been in for 10 years. We're going to start it up and check the charge. Back here the next morning. Suction at 68, it's too low for 410. might have a bad TXV there, I'm not sure. I'm gonna put some in. Gotta juice it up, Mom. Give it a little, how you doing? Oh, I appreciate that. I'm out working. I had one of the ACs at the daycare is down. Got a leak on it.
Already?
Yeah, 10-year-old off 410A with a leak. Typical.
No, I mean.
Figure it out. I'm just getting gas in it for now.
Snip it down low, baby. Take the cover, snip down little valve, connect down low.
This is one of the old Cube ones, you know, the old Cube units. It might have a bad TXV, I'm not sure yet, but we'll figure it out.
Alright, I'll be back.
Alright, yeah, bye. Might have a bad TXV there. Get some gas in it. Bring that subcooling up to 11 or so. Not a big fan of all the zone dampers upstairs there, but what are you gonna do? Give it a little more. Alright, so I brought my subcooling up to 14. Suction's at 112, which is above 100. Superheat's about 20. So that's good. We're going to leave it right there. I'm not a big fan of the zone dampers, but what are you going to do? The way the system was installed. They're all nice up now. Subcooling at 14, superheats at 17, being regulated with a TXV 113 on the suction. We're above that freezing at 76 was pretty low. That's why it iced. Need a little how you doing, Marlon? Alright, no more leaks. It was just leaking because it was iced up and it was dripping. It should be. Start cooling now. Keep an eye on it. We'll come back and check on it in a day or so. It's a big flipping pan here, man. It's a big ass pan. There's the whole unit.